Morning everyone, time is 6:30. I thought I'd share my morning routine. This morning, it's a bit different. Martin's off today, so going a bit early. I need to pick up a car on the way into work for a friend, so I'm just walking up to the van and we'll go and get a little Volkswagen Polo, which will be Selina's 9 o'clock MOT. Yeah, I'll show you what my morning routine is like before anyone arrives. There we go, arrived at work. So yeah, the rest of my morning routine before anyone else arrives. I need to open the doors. I won't go too simple, but I didn't park that car up in a parking space because let's hold up there, it's a bit better, you can see my face now. Poor you. Didn't park it up because we've got unusually quite a large workshop full of cars, so I need to move them out of the way. The car I picked up this morning, they've also asked, I'll just turn the alarm off, you need to see that. Don't want anyone out there knowing our PIN number. Block of wood under the door. Right, try again. It's hard doing this with one hand. There we go. Right. The reason I just cut that video is because I had recorded a video and then I realised I had one of these handheld phone holder jobbies. So I thought I'd redo it with that. Yeah, so basically morning routine. We got two computers here. This one we use for any data lookup, any torque settings we need, tyre pressures. Sometimes you get part locations, cabin filter locations, things like that. This one is the emissions computer for MOTs, obviously. As you see, if I hold that up there, you can see we've got 6 cars in the workshop this morning. I don't like leaving cars outside, although we've got CCTV all around. It still doesn't look great. Undo the back door, health and safety. Last thing I is trying to get out and I find it's locked, and I don't know, maybe someone couldn't figure out how to unlock it. We've got the brake rollers again for MOT testing. Let me show you this one. This is a toy of mine. I've got Martin. We've done loads of welding on it. It's a year-long project so far. Really looking forward to driving this one. It's nearly done. As you can see, Martin's been repairing the inner part of the wheel arch, and then we've got a new outer one, so I'm quite looking forward to showing you how that comes out, because Martin is a very good welder. I can weld, Selina can weld. I think we'll both agree that, I think Marcus can weld as well actually. I think we'll both agree that Martin is a really good welder. So this is the wheel alignment computer. If I stand over here, you can see there's a big crucifix up there. Check out our wheel alignment video if you want to know more about that. It's all done with 3D cameras and everything. This is a MX-5 we MOT'd yesterday for the MX-5 restorer. Check out his YouTube videos. They're pretty good. This one here, we've got a Camaro in. There we go, you can see it now. Camaro in for, it's got a few oil leaks, a little tiny bit of welding. That's how they all start out. I think he's got a little list, short little list. There's a Mini in today. Marcus is going to be taking the engine out so we can change the gearbox over. Yep, and then up on the ramp there is my MG Midget. Again, we've got videos of that lot. If you want to check them out, you can learn more about what we're doing with that. There'll be a new video for that coming out at the end of this week. Too busy talking. Forgot to turn on the compressor. We might need some air this morning. Quite a busy morning. So Martin is off today. He's got a day off for his sister's wedding, I think, so congratulations. What we're going to do now is open up the big door and move some cars out, make some space. So that's most of the cars moved out now. There's a couple still in there. I need to push the MG out, and then the Mini I'll put on the far ramp because that's Marcus's first job. The car I bought in this morning is having an MOT. They've also asked to have a service. So normally at this point what I'll do is sit down, cup of tea, something for breakfast, yogurt or something, and sit on social media for half hour or so, answering any questions, just promoting a few bits and pieces, making sure our names spread around a bit. Try and do that every morning. This morning though, I'm going to get the 9 o'clock MOT done, so that at 9 o'clock we can do, they've asked for a service on it. So the only way we're going to fit that in is if I get the MOT done first. So that's now my job. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll leave this video here. Obviously subscribe, like the video, and I'll probably do a end of day video as well soon, so keep your eyes out for that.